What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. So today we're going to be talking about XRP and really discussing how this market is about to explode. There is so much opportunity in this market. All you guys have to do is know how to take advantage of it. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's XRP video. So XRP is number 6. It is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies that there is. And as you can see, it had a pretty big pump back in 2017 when the whole crypto markets were going crazy. And by the way, for the long-term viewers that have been around since 2017, huge shout out to you guys. You definitely know what it was like to trade this cycle. We made a ton of money, a ridiculous amount of money trading XRP in 2017. We also made quite a bit of money trading XRP here in 2021 when we had another pretty big pump in this market. So this coin has been really fun for those long-term viewers, really anybody that's been taking advantage of these opportunities when they come. Now, this market structure is very, very common. This is the same type of pattern that we have seen in the crypto markets over and over again. And I know a lot of you guys are wondering what is going to happen with XRP prices from here. And so let's go ahead and take a quick look at the structure. As you can see, XRP did a very, very similar market structure as Bitcoin back in 2019 and 2020. So this is what we call the disbelief phase. The market has a sucker's rally, and then prices pull back down to major support levels. And then after that, you get a big reversal and the market goes out of disbelief into a new cycle. So the reason it's called disbelief is because the majority of the public are in disbelief. That is the emotion that they're feeling. And so they're in that state of, oh, what is it going to do? I don't think it's going to recover. There's no way it could. And that emotion is exactly what creates such a good buying opportunity before the next big pump. Now, the similarities between these two cycles are astonishing. And XRP being worth 37 cents right now, you can see that if we were to break above the all-time high, just like how Bitcoin did, then prices are going to be worth well over $3. Now, that is going to take a little bit of time to get there, but once it pops, it's going to pop hard. As you can see, Bitcoin had to build momentum, had to push up through that $13,000 level before it really took off here. But once it did, the sky was really the limit here for Bitcoin, and I believe the same will be true for XRP. So the main level to be watching, of course, is a breakout of major support. In other words, once we start climbing above the 37 cents level, and then a break through major resistance, which is about $1.90. That would be the same equivalent level as the $13,000 level on Bitcoin before Bitcoin went all the way up to 69,000. Now, XRP being worth 37 cents instead of the $3,000 level that we saw Bitcoin at during its disbelief phase is obviously not going to go to 69,000 per coin. However, as it breaks above $3, we will go higher than the previous all-time high, which could mean that we reach even $8. Who knows exactly how high? I don't want to give exact targets, but I do suspect XRP will blow people away. So we definitely have reason to be excited about XRP, as well as a lot of different coins in the market right now. There's a ton of opportunity across the board in the crypto markets. You guys really just have to learn how to take advantage of that opportunity. Stop living in fear and start living in that mindset of, oh, I'm going to make 20,000, 50,000, whatever number it is for you. Start living in that mindset of, I want to make this amount of money and I'm going to do what's required to get it. I do believe that that reversal will start sooner rather than later. And ultimately, I don't expect these markets to drop any lower than they already have. So the time is now to be taking advantage of these opportunities. Speaking of opportunities, you guys, definitely shoot me an email, links in the description below, and get inside the VIP program. We're posting signals in here on a regular basis to help you guys know how to best take advantage of these opportunities. Here's just one for example, but we were calling all of the movement on Bitcoin here in the short term, the crash before it happened, the climb before it happened. We've been calling all of these shots on the markets, as well as Dogecoin before it pumped in 2021, Bitcoin before it pumped in 2017, Bitcoin as it pumped in 2021. Every single major move in the crypto markets has been called inside of the VIP group. So to start making money today, shoot me an email, links in the description below, and we'll get you started inside of the VIP group. I will give you a 20% discount off the price of the normal VIP cost, and you can start making money in these markets right away. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning into today's quick little video update on XRP. Big things coming in the crypto markets as a whole, but XRP is one prime example of a coin that I see a lot of upward price action coming soon, and one that's definitely going to blow you away if you guys take advantage of that opportunity that is right in front of your face. So yeah, you guys, I will see you in future videos. Thanks again for tuning in. Share it with your friends, hit that like button for me, and as always, stay profitable out there.